Hello everyone, I'm Sneha Bhavsar and my team member is Smita Chaudhary. Today we are presenting our project titled AI Power Emergency Response Agent. It is a multi-agent system that can automatically detect danger and send real-time alerts. So this system works without needing the user to do anything manually. The system uses the power of multiple agents to sense danger and send alerts quickly. So the main aim is to help in emergencies without the manual input. So it works in real time. So even if a person is not able to ask for help due to the panic or urgency, the system will still detect the problem or the danger and make sure help reaches on time. Now we will explain the main problems and why this project is important. So first problem is that fear. Fear stops people from asking for help. When someone is in danger, they may feel so scared and that they can't call or message anyone. So we need an automated system that can detect the situation immediately, even when the person cannot speak. Second problem is manual input. Most emergency apps need the user to type or press the buttons, but during a crisis, every second is important. Typing or searching for options is not practical. So this delay can make the situation even more worse. Now, what is the need for instant detection? Let's see. The third problem is the need for instant detection. We need a system that can sense danger automatically and trigger alerts without the user doing anything. This ensures quick help and timely response during emergencies. So, this is the idea behind our project. Our goal is to create an AI system that detects the danger instantly and sends alerts automatically. So, that helps reaches people at the right time. Now, we will talk about the agents in our system. The first one is the detection agent. Its job is to identify the type of emergency and how serious it is based on the user's input. The next one is location agent. This agent finds the nearest police stations and nearby civilians helpers using the GPS data. So it makes sure help is selected from the closest location. The next agent is the planner agent. This agent creates a step by step rescue plan. The plan is made according to the exact type of emergency. Then we have the message agent. This agent generates the SOS alerts and sends them to the police, civilians, and importantly, contacts in an efficient way. So, this was all about the agents. Now, next part will be explained by Smita Chaudhary.
Hello, I'm Smita. Now let's get dive why we use agents. Emergency needs special type of response. A single system cannot handle everything. So multiple agents work better because each one focus on one task. This makes the system more efficient, gives clear output and increase reliability. This slide shows the overall architecture in one simple flow. It explains how all the agents work together to create a complete emergency response system. Each agent has its own job and the flow make the rescue process structured and effective. This slide shows a practical demonstration of our system in action. When we process a real emergency input, the system shows all its abilities such as danger detection, location identification, rescue planning, and message generation. All these steps come together to produce a complete emergency response. Next is build and the tools we use. Now we will explain the tools and method we use to build our AI power emergency response agent. This is just an overview of the technologies that help us develop the complete system. The first one is Python. Python is the main programming language we use for development. Next is Google ADK, which means Agent Development Kit. We use this kit to build and manage the agents in our system. Next is multi-agent pipeline. This is the architectural framework that allows different agents to work together smoothly. We also use Harvesting distance. This method helps us to calculate the distance between two geographical points. It is useful when we find the nearest police station or helper. We use Kaggle notebook as our development and testing environment. We added rule based detection, which is the logic used for identifying different emergency scenarios. We use GPS simulation to mimic real GPS features and test location based functions. The multi agent flow shows the process and how agents interact with each other during the response. We also have an end to end orchestra which manage the full workflow of the system. And finally, we use the sample text testing to validate and check response given by our agents. And in conclusion, though this project I have shown how an AI based multi agent pipeline can detect emergency faster and coordinate the right response automatically. By combining detection, validation, and action, the system aims to reduce delay and improve safety in real life situations. In the future, this pipeline can be expanded with real video analysis, multilingual voice detection, integration with the wearable devices, and direct connectivity with emergency services. This can make the solution even more accurate, more accessible, and more powerful. Thank you for watching my presentation.